So yeah, today I'm gonna be reacting to Cody's handcuffs. So yeah, let's get started. Cody's handcuffs. Oh, this over here.
I know, right? No stupid dogs in the way.
I'll eat this cheeseburger.
Yeah, me too.
Joseph, these french fries are really good.
I know, right, dude?
Guys, that dump I just took, I felt all 12 inches of it. Wait, where's Ken? And why is there McDonald's here? You didn't let him eat it, did you?
No, Cody, we didn't let Ken eat the stupid McDonald's, and he went,
Ooh, I think he went outside, dude.
Yeah, Ken went outside.
Well, why is he outside?
Because he heard a vicious bear outside.
Yup, a bear.
Oh, that's not a big deal. Ken wrestles bears all the time.
Well, actually, I think it was two bears.
Yep, two. It was two of them.
Two bears.
Well, it might be a challenge for him, but I'm sure he can handle it.
Well, actually, I think it was three bears.
Oh, yeah, three's the lucky number.
Yeah,
Wait, 3 bears, Junior?
Yeah, three, and they were really angry because someone ate their porridge and slept in their beds.
Ah, shit! Oh my god, Junior! Those bears killed Goldilocks! What if they killed Ken, too?
Well, Cody, I don't know. I mean, I heard plastic being crunched on, so yeah, I think he got killed.
Oh no, Junior, we have to call the police!
Well, call the police for what? A petty theft or something less than $20?
No, Junior, we have to call the police because there was a murder!
He can't be murdered, Cody. He's a doll.
Junior, I'm gonna go call the police right now.
Okay, so I got a call about a murder?
No.
Yes, officer. My boyfriend was murdered by bears.
No, he wasn't.
Bears, huh?
I can't do this. Junior, you tell him I'm going back to the bathroom.
He's a dog, dude.
So what's going on here?
Alright, so our friend let us watch his stupid doll while he was in the bathroom, so we threw his doll behind the couch and we lied to him and said he was eaten by bears.
Because he's a dog.
So nobody actually got murdered?
No, it's just a stupid plastic doll and no one was murdered.
Yeah, somebody was murdered. My time that I can't get back. Alright, well I guess I won't be needing these anymore. Yeah, I didn't even have the key for them anyway. Yup. Anyway, if you need me, I'm gonna be on vacation for like a week, so if you call 911, no one's gonna answer because I'm the only cop or doctor there is. So, bye.
What did the police officer say? Is he gonna arrest those bears?
Nope, he said it wasn't worth his time.
What? It's a murder!
Cody, we're just joking. Ken's fine.
He is?
Yeah, we threw him behind the couch to screw with you.
Why would you do that, Junior?
Because it's funny to see you cry.
Yeah, dude.
You guys are dicks, not the long, throbbing, good kind. Junior, I don't see Ken behind the couch.
You don't see Ken behind the couch?
No.
What, are you blind?
No.
Yeah, you are, because you need glasses.
I'm wearing glasses, and I don't see him back there.
Alright, Cody, so if I look behind the couch and I find Ken, you have to admit that you're stupid and blind.
Okay, sure.
Alright, I'm gonna look for him. Huh. He's not back there, Cody.
Yeah, I know, Junior. Where is he?
I don't know. Joseph, didn't I throw Ken behind the couch?
Yeah, dude, I saw you.
Yeah, look, there's my witness.
But he's not back there right now, Junior. Where's he at?
Well, I don't know. Maybe a roaming black hole just appeared and caught him in midair and took him to another dimension.
A black hole, Junior. Really? It only picked up Ken and nothing else?
Well, maybe there was like a rip in space and time, like those things from Fortnite, you know, where you jump in and it spawns you at the top of the map? That's what happened. He jumped in one of those.
Yeah, Junior. I bet that's it. The thing from Fortnite, yeah.
You think the same thing too?
No, you idiot. I think you lost him.
I didn't lose him. I threw him behind the couch. Whatever happened to him after that is his fault.
Junior, you're gonna find him because you're the one that lost him.
Cody, I'm not gonna look for your stupid doll. Look, tomorrow's our first day of third grade. I'm not gonna stay up all night looking for a stupid doll. It's not my responsibility.
Yeah, who's gonna waste their time looking for a stupid doll?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look for a stupid doll. You gonna look for a doll?
No, I'm not.
I'm not gonna look for no stupid doll.
What's wrong with him?
Yeah. What? Cody, what are you doing?
Handcuffed us together, Junior.
Dude, what?
Well, why would you do that, Cody?
Because this is gonna help you find Ken.
How's it gonna help me find Ken?
Well, because, Junior, I don't have the key to the handcuffs.
You don't have a key, so how am I gonna get him off?
The key to the handcuffs are in Ken's pants. I always keep a spare handcuff key in his pants in case we get arrested. So if you find Ken, you find the key.
What if we never find Ken?
Well, looks like we're just gonna have to be stuck together forever, Junior.
Good, we can't do this. We have school tomorrow. We can't go to school like this.
Oh yeah, I didn't really think about that.
Yeah, we have school tomorrow. We can't go to school handcuffed together. So Cody, we have to get these off.
Well, Junior, there's really nothing I can do. The key really is in Ken's pants. We have to find him now.
Okay, so we gotta find Ken. Joseph, help us find Ken.
Oh, dude, I'm out of here. I gotta get ready for school.
Joseph! these handcuffs off. We have to find Ken. Okay, let's check behind the couch. Come on.
Okay.
All right, Cody, do you see your stupid doll?
No. Are you sure you threw him behind the couch?
Are you sure you threw him behind the couch? You sound like you're stupid. I threw him behind your mom's couch.
Junior, what?
Cody, this is so stupid. I threw him behind the couch and now he's missing.
Well, things don't just disappear into thin air, Junior. He has to be around here somewhere.
Unless he fell under the Fortnite thing.
No, Junior, not the Fortnite thing.
Cody, it'd be a lot easier to look for Ken if we weren't handcuffed together.
Yeah, I agree.
So let's get the handcuffs off first, and then we can both look for Ken and go into like 2 different directions.
Well, how are we gonna do that, Junior? The key is in Ken's pants.
Well, maybe Chevy, we can cut this off with like a spatula or like a wrench or something.
Alright, fine. I guess we can try that.
My grilled cheese is almost ready.
Chevy,
What do you want, Junior? Can't you see I'm making grilled cheese?
More like burnt cheese. Fucking got him.
Chevy, look, me and Cody are handcuffed together. I was wondering if you could cut the handcuffs off.
I can't do nothing about that. The handcuffs are made of steel.
Well, Chevy, what are we gonna do? We have school tomorrow.
Well, you guys better get very comfortable together because I can't do nothing about it.
Oh, Cody, what are we gonna do? How am I gonna take a shower?
I really don't see a problem there.
How am I gonna use the bathroom?
I don't see a problem with that either, really.
But Cody, we have to get these handcuffs off. What are we gonna do?
Oh my god, is that the actual time? Junior, I have to get home. I have a curfew.
You have a curfew. I'm not going back to your house, Cody.
Junior, if my parents find out I'm not home, I'm gonna get grounded and you won't see me for months.
Oh, okay, fine. We'll go to your house for like a few minutes, but we have to come back here because this is where Ken is.
Okay, fine. Come on, Junior. Okay, we have to be really quiet. I'm not supposed to have boys over. Okay.
That's it, woman. I'm sick and tired of you accusing me of cheating.
Shh. Come on.
That's it, Tyrone. I want a divorce. You cheated on me.
Baby, you overreacted. That was just my sister.
Well, you don't kiss your sister on the mouth like that.
Baby, I haven't seen her in years.
Well, then why was she rubbing on your pants?
Because I spilled grape juice on my pants.
Well, then why was she taking off her clothes?
Because she wanted me to wear her clothes because she don't want me wearing grape juice pants.
Ooh, I don't think they saw us, Junior. It was getting really heated out there.
Does your parents argue like that all the time?
Yeah, my dad kind of likes to cheat on my mom. A lot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, Cody, what's that picture right there?
Oh yeah, that's a photo of me from when I went to the beach last week.
A photo?
Yeah, Ken snapped a pic of me while I was sleeping. It's not even really my best picture, but I like it because you can see my 8-pack.
What, 8-pack?
Yeah, you can count it if you want. Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep, they're all there.
What, so that's a real picture?
Oh, yeah, that's me. I can show you if you want, but I'd have to turn off the lights.
Oh, well, Cody, is there any way you can get these handcuffs off right now?
Well, I have a bunch of lube we could use. Junior, my dad's coming. Hide under the sheets.
Okay.
Look, nigga, can you believe your mama got mad at me because I kissed another woman?
Well, yeah, Dad, that's cheating.
Look, nigga, are you gonna wear the same pair of sneakers your whole life?
No, Dad.
See, because some sneakers get old, dirty, wrinkly, saggy titties, you gonna want some more sneakers. Look, and I wear a bunch of sneakers. I wear a different pair every day. I love sneakers.
Yeah, I don't really agree with you, but I think I understand that.
So you understand?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, son. Hey, yo, ho! Look, our son agree with me. I can try on all the bitches I want.
I didn't say that.
Whoa, Cody, your dad's really scary.
Yeah, he gets like that. Junior, my mom's coming. Get back under the sheets.
Oh, come on.
Look, Cody, I really hate you, Daddy, and I really want to get a divorce, but I'm afraid he's going to try to kill me if I leave. So when you go to school tomorrow, tell your teacher to call the police because your mommy needs some help, okay? Okay, Mom. Alright, now, I have to go be Daddy's pair of boots because he likes to drag me through the mud. Make sure I'm still breathing in the morning.
What, Cody, is your mom serious? Is your dad gonna kill her?
No, Junior, she says that every night. What? It's not gonna do it.
Alright, Cody, I wanna go back to my house. Come on.
No, Junior, if you think they're mad now, you should see them when I'm not here. It's so much worse.
I just don't like your house, Cody. It's weird and come on, let's get these handcuffs off.
No, Junior, we have school in the morning. We should just go to sleep and figure it out tomorrow.
What if we don't figure it out tomorrow? We go to school like this.
Well, Junior, we'll just deal with it then, okay?
Fine. Okay, how are we gonna sleep? I'm sleeping on this side. You know, Cody, I want a pillow between us.
What's that gonna do?
You're right. I don't know. Just you look that way and I'll look this way.
Okay.
Cody!
What?
Stop it. You go on that side.
I'm actually pretty okay with this.
No, Cody, I'm not sleeping like this.
Good night, Junior.
Cody, there's noise.
Where that woman at? Where you at, ho? You can't hide
Good night.
Good night.
Look, nigga, I know your ass still ain't in bed. Get up and get ready for school. What the hell?
Yeah, time to go to school, Junior.
Well, I'm not going to school like this, Cody.
Wait, Junior, we can't miss the first day of school.
Oh, yeah, we can't. We're sick or something.
Junior, I have a perfect record. Do not mess this up for me.
Well, what's the teacher going to say when he sees us handcuffed together?
Well, we'll just try to hide it, Junior. Maybe he won't notice. Come on.
Oh, man, Cody, we're going to get in trouble.
No, we're not, Junior. Just shut up. Play it cool. Maybe he won't notice.
Alright, class. Welcome back to school. I hope you all have a good summer. I know I did. I went to China and visited my family. We eat a lot of cat and dog. Cat dog. Cat dog. I eat cat dog. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna call roll now. Cody! Hey! No sharing seats! Go back to your seat!
I actually can't go back to my seat because Junior and I are dating.
What? No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Junior and I are dating, and we want to hold hands all day in his seat. And also, it's 2018, so we can be as gay as we want.
Oh, it's okay if you gay, if you like weenie. But if you really like weenie, why don't you kiss each other in front of the whole class?
Fucking alright, come here, Junior.
I'm not going to kiss you, Cody. Ew, that's gay, dude. I'm not kissing you, Cody.
Yes, you are, Junior. We have to prove we're dating. Now put your tongue in my mouth.
Well, but baby, you know, we haven't had our first kiss yet, so I think we should save it for a more appropriate time, not school.
But Junior, he said we had to kiss, and he's the teacher. We have to listen to the teacher. Right, teacher? To tell him we have to kiss.
Unless you know gay, unless you know like weenie, and if you know like weenie, then you go back to your seat.
Alright, Junior, you heard your... Oh, come on! That doesn't count! What am I, your grandma? Come on, somebody tell me that doesn't count. Teacher, back me up here. Come on, that was a peck.
No, that no count. I didn't even see it. My eyes are so strapped.
Well, thank you, teacher. Alright, Junior, he said it didn't count. Now this time I want you to give me a little bit of tongue and then bite me just to sell it.
Cody, I don't want to kiss you.
Junior, I don't make the rules. Now you bite my bottom lip and chew it like Hubba Bubba.
Dude, this is so gay. Wait. Ah, shit! That's a firearm class. Alright, everyone get out unless you're gonna burn to death.
Oh, come on, a fire alarm? I bet it's not even a real fire. Come on, make us kiss.
Oh, come on, Cody, we gotta go to the fire alarm.
We better do it later. I can't believe somebody pulled the fire alarm at school. Total cock block. My balls have never been so blue.
I'm glad they pulled it.
Well, actually, I can't wait for school tomorrow, Junior. There's no telling what he's gonna make us do next.
All right, I want to get out of these handcuffs, like right now. Let's go find Ken.
Well, we already checked behind the couch, Junior. Where else could he be?
I have no idea. What, Choppy?
What? Ken!
You must have taken Ken when he was on the back of the couch.
Come here, Ken. Ew, there's bite marks all over him. Oh, wait, those are from before. Yeah.
Oh, let's get the key.
Don't touch Ken, especially not right there. Now, Junior, I have a confession to make.
Well, get the key.
There is no key, Junior. These are not the police officer's handcuffs. These are my handcuffs. They're just toy handcuffs.
What?
Yep, they just come right off.
So you got taking us off at any moment?
Yeah, I just wanted to spend some quality time with you. So, see you at school tomorrow, Junior. Come on, Ken.
Cody, thank you for watching. Bye, subscribe.
Well, then let us begin the ceremony.